What if checking the moisture in your wood project actually ruined the beautiful finish you worked so hard to create? Traditional pin meters leave tiny holes behind, and that is the last thing you want on expensive hardwood. That is exactly why professional woodworkers prefer pinless moisture meters. In this review, we're taking a closer look at the Orion 950 Pinless Wood Moisture Meter to find out if it really deserves its premium reputation. Now let's get started.
The Orion 950 is built for professionals who demand accurate moisture readings without damaging the wood. Whether you are building custom furniture, installing hardwood flooring, or working with high-value lumber, this meter is designed to deliver dependable results while protecting your finished surfaces. One of the first things you will notice is its compact, ergonomic design. It feels solid in your hand, making it comfortable to use during long projects. The clear display is easy to read, and the controls are simple enough that you can switch settings quickly while working in the shop or on a job site. Where the Orion 950 really stands out is its measurement performance. Instead of relying on pins, it uses advanced pinless technology to measure beneath the wood surface. This helps reduce the impact of surface moisture, providing more consistent readings and giving you greater confidence before cutting, finishing, or installing expensive lumber.
Another feature that makes this meter impressive is its dual depth scanning capability. You can choose between 1/4 inch and 3/4 inch measurement depths, depending on the thickness of the material. This gives you a much better understanding of the moisture throughout the board, instead of only checking the surface. It also includes built-in temperature and humidity sensors. These automatically calculate auto EMC, GPP, GPK, and dew point. Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync readings with the Wagner FloorSmart and Woodshop MC apps, making it easy to organize measurements, monitor moisture trends, and keep accurate project records. Some of the biggest advantages include its non-damaging pinless sensor, excellent measurement consistency, dual-depth scanning, Bluetooth support, and the included on-demand calibrator that allows quick field calibration without sending the meter back to the factory. Of course, no product is perfect. The Orion 950 costs considerably more than entry-level moisture meters, and its advanced features may feel overwhelming for beginners who only need occasional moisture checks.
Overall, the Orion 950 is one of the best pinless wood moisture meters available for professional woodworkers and flooring installers. Its outstanding accuracy, premium features, and 7-year warranty make it a worthwhile long-term investment for anyone who depends on reliable moisture measurements every day. If this review helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Top Deals today, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. We will see you in the next video.